Business in Dubai differs from doing business in the US because there's just like when you go anywhere, there's different rules and regulations that you have to be aware of. You can't just come in somewhere and think you're just going to do your thing the way you do it at home. But because of my background, my expertise, they were actually very welcoming, and we were able to have everything approved, and we're on our way.
I met Danielle through actually a client of mine who wanted me to meet somebody, she said. And when Danielle explained to me exactly what she does and how she has worked with CNC for so many years, there was almost like an immediate connection between us. I just thought that the CNC had a perfect solution for the problem that so many women and men have. Basically with CNC, it's a system that can be used for people with male pattern baldness, with accidents, traumatic situations, chemotherapy, medical situations, alopecia.
The CNC is a hair and scalp prosthetic that's produced in Bologna, Italy. CNC stands for, it's a natural scalp contact, like an eye contact, but for the scalp. It is really more of a medical device than a standard wig or hair piece or something like that. We can duplicate anybody's existing hair.
Danielle has amazing amount of knowledge. She's been doing it for so many years, so she has all the knowledge we require, the passion to work with the people, and the right temperament to deal with clients that have these issues.
I wanted to partner with Pastels in Dubai because when I came here, I saw that there was a need.
I think the UAE is a great market for CNC. It works so brilliantly and amazingly and gives such amazing results that it would do brilliantly here in the UAE.
At the moment, I'm coming to Dubai once a month. Interest it's pretty amazing, and the feedback from the people that we've spoken to and the clients that we have, they're really, really thrilled with it, and they're amazed. I'm coming in training with the staff, working with the clients, and doing everything that is necessary to get it up and running properly, and just to be here, to be supporting everybody.
Danielle was the ideal partner. And it brings us great pleasure that we are the exclusive partners for CNC here in Dubai and in the UAE.
What I hope for here in Dubai is I foresee us just growing and helping a lot of different people and becoming the hair loss. This is going to be the place to go, to make it be a household name.
The CNC future looks very bright for Pastels and Dubai.